Cross-referencing the traceability numbers looks correct.
The Argentinian certificates match. Everything is in order.
Trade-secret Python snake leather craftsmanship from ancient hand-tanning techniques using natural dyes through industrial...
Bajando la carga. Despacio, despacio. Engancha el gato.
Listo. The SPC algorithms analyzed the weight distributions and generated this report, optimizing our raw material.
Texture Analysis Station utilizes advanced dermatological imaging systems adapted for leather evaluation, allowing African American female... Professional Documentation Station employs Phase 1 industrial imaging solutions with specialized leather evaluation software, capturing high...
Start. 4.1 name 2006 over. Defect mapping rises industry standard high divided evaluation with documentation.
Look at the defect distribution here. This fails our stringent specifications.
And the supplier trends show a clear pattern of non-compliance.
Close-up interior view through the drum's reinforced glass observation port shows Python snake hides tumbling at 11 RPM, balancing cleaning power with hide protection in the cleaning solution.
Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates automated backwashing filter systems, maintaining optimal water clarity.
Primary rinse cycle initiates as 3,200 liters of softened water floods the drum containing the pre-washed Python snake hides.
Automated robotic arms with gentle gripping mechanisms carefully extract the pre-washed Python snake hides.
Specialized spot cleaning station features high-pressure washing equipment delivering 130 bar, optimizing contaminants elimination through adjustable nozzles with fan spray patterns.
Secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing temperature-activated enzyme blends, maximizing catalytic efficiency loaded into the drum.
Residual contamination is clearly visible under the UV light.
Agreed. We must adjust the chemical concentration for the next cycle.
4.30. Final washing stage utilizes specially formulated final wash at pH 7.7.
3 consecutive rinse cycles using 4,800 liters of ultra-pure water. Conductivity sensors measure ion concentration.
Mechanical dewatering operation employs hydraulic press systems, applying 200 bar pressure for water removal, carefully processing the...
All parameters are within the acceptable range. pH is steady at 7.02.
Residual chemicals are clear. Batch approved for release.
incorporating advanced manufacturing methodologies, automated material handling systems, and comprehensive testing. Professional fleshing and splitting operations proceed as skilled operators manage the python snake hide materials.
Industrial scale fleshing operation process python snake leather through removal of subcutaneous tissue.
Professional chrome crow tanning proceeds as skilled operators manage the python snake hides, employing
industrial scale chromium tanning processing operations process python snake leather through chemical stabilization.
The chromium stabilization looks excellent on this batch.
Agreed. The tensile strength meets the premium standard.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes advanced chromium tanning, ensuring both quality and sustainable production practices.
The thickness is consistent with the parameters. Yes, the chromium uptake is perfect. We can move this batch to post-tanning.
Professional chromium tanning processing proceeds as skilled African male operators manage the python.
The tensile strength on this batch is exceptional.
Yes, the chromium uptake is perfect for the premium belts.
The uniformity on this batch is exceptional.
The robotic calibration is perfect.
Industrial scale dyeing and color application operations process python snake leather through pigment penetration.
The color uniformity on the green hides is excellent.
Confirmed. The robotic application is flawless.
The tension test results are excellent. This batch meets the premium standard.
Agreed. The color uniformity is flawless across the entire lot.
Advanced drying and conditioning operations continues in the specialized processing area, where Python
We use modern analytical instrumentation, like this tensile strength tester, to ensure every square meter
$4.9999. Advanced softening and mechanical processing in the
Our leather technicians apply decades of industry expertise combined with modern analytical instrumentation, ensuring
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues.
High-capacity processing equipment, precision measurement instruments, and computerized control systems with quality assurance protocols verifying dimensional accuracy.
Structural joining is complete on this batch.
And the automated inspection confirms they meet all international standards.
The automated inspection confirms 0 defects on this batch.
Excellent. Proceed with final packaging protocols.